Buenos dias and happy Thursday. It is 4:49 a.m. Going to get my 2 colleagues, catching a flight to Oakland. Let's go. All right. Well, I have my passengers. I have passenger 1.
Good morning.
I got passenger 2. Going to the airport to meet passenger 3. And there is passenger number 3. I ended up forgetting my umbrella. There it is. Got it.
Oh.
Bye-bye, thank you. All right, here we go. We're getting on Southwest Airlines. Destination, Oakland. Oaktown.
On behalf of Southwest Airlines and this flight, we would like to welcome you to Oakland.
Thank you very much. We have landed in Oakland. We here. Made a short visit out to San Francisco. The wharf, and we're about to get in a couple hours on. We've got a ticket to Alcatraz, so we're gonna go ahead and get on that. Right now we're looking for something to eat, so that's kind of our main objective right now, is to go get some food. So we're gonna get some food first, and then we're gonna get on the Alcatraz ferry over to the island place, the place where, you know, the Rock. So I'm eating at the Pier Market with the team. There's the team. There's a pretty nice view out here. Let me see. Get that. So I started off with the clam chowder, and I'm following this up with fish and chips. What are you doing? So there's the Rock. And Susan, when we get to the Rock, what are you gonna say?
Welcome to the Rock.
And the recorded Cell House tour.
That was good. We actually just finished up cruising through the Rock, touring it, doing the whole headphone thing. It was very interesting, very informative. Yeah, Al Capone never stood a chance out here. We're gonna go ahead and get on another boat and head back to San Francisco. Pillow, head, on pillow equals time to go to sleep. Long day today, big time traveling day. It was very exhausting, but very fruitful. We went to go see a school that I didn't show here on the vlog. We visited a school with my colleagues, and then we went and had some fun in San Francisco, Alcatraz. That was cool. Then we came back here, got to the hotel rather late, had some dinner. The day starts bright and early tomorrow morning, so it's time to get some sleep. Remember, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for hanging with me on the Buenos Dias vlog. Remember to sprinkle a little bit of fun in your life, and always keep it fun enough. We'll do this again tomorrow. Bright and early, actually.